this is the poke I get from Sam, Mr. Sam Choi. Every time I see Sam, he always say, okidoki. So this is in honor of him. Okidoki, poke. This is the dish. You buy some sushi grade sushi, okay? This is actually tuna. You put them all together and you toss them around, okay? And then you put some green onion. Green onion. And also some onion. This is onion, okay? Wow, onion. And also some cilantro. I love cilantro. So all I have to do is chop up a tiny bit of cilantro, like this. Okay, some cilantro, everything is right here. And also for color purposes. Cut a tiny bit of tomato, 1, and 2, and then 3. And then stack them all up. And then you cook 1, and you 2, and then 3. And that's all I need, okay? You don't need the whole thing. You save it for tomorrow. Always save. Never throw anything away. And then you put them all together and toss it in. I want to show you how beautiful this is. Nice and colorful, okay? In the meantime, add some flavoring. Tiny bit of sweet rice wine, sweet vinegar, okay? And a tiny bit of pepper, and a tiny bit of sesame seed oil. A few drops of soy sauce. If you want, a tiny bit of salt. And then some plum sauce. Look at this. This is great plum sauce. And then, of course, if you love chili, hot, spicy, like my good friend Sam Choi. Sam always, every time I go to Hawaii, he always take me around Chinatown because we both love fish. In fact, everybody in Hawaii love fish. Hawaii is surrounded by water. Look at how beautiful this is. This is so colorful. And this is amazing. But of course, we need some garnishing. Now this is seaweed. You go to the sushi bar, or you go to the store, you can buy a whole piece of seaweed, like a whole package. And then you hold on to this, and you use your knife, and you cut this, and you cut this up. Look at this. This is how I do it, okay? Okay? Wow, look at this. This is like using a Caesar, okay? When this is all nice and ready, I'm going to show you how easy it is to transfer all of these over here. In the meantime, you know what I'm doing? I'm doing some Hawaiian luau stew here. Let's check it out and make sure it's tasty enough. This is also another dish I learned from Sam Choi with a big heart. It's good, but I like to have a little extra touch of sesame seed oil. So I'll put a tiny bit of sesame seed oil here. Now, look at this here. In Hawaii, they use the leaf of the taro. Even the taro is big. You know why it's so big? Because Sam Choi gave it to me. This is enough to feed the entire village. In fact, 2 villages in China. I don't have the leaf of the taro, so I use either spinach. Okay, you can either use spinach or use the tong ho, the chrysanthemum leaf. You see, tong ho. I actually literally put it right in here. In fact, the Chinese love this. How do you serve? This is how you do it. You use some rice, you put it right over here. Look at this. And then you scoop some of these beautiful stew, luau stew. You put it right over here. I love it. Look at that. This is a beautiful dish. And I love to have some extra sauce for my rice. And this is one dish that everybody can enjoy. And then I have to show you how to garnish this okidoki. Oh, this is wonderful. First, I sprinkle a tiny bit of these on top, okay? And then I have a tiny bit extra cilantro on top, and then put a tiny bit of extra of these seaweed on top. Look at this. I want to show you. So beautiful. And then I'm going to sprinkle some extra green onion also right on top. Check it out. Okidoki, poke, and luau stew. If I live in this tropical paradise with so much fresh food, I would be as big as my brother Sam. Remember, if Yan can cook with Sam, so can you. Aloha. 再见。